Hey everybody, how you doing again? We're out here in the bushes in the little bit of a blizzard. Hey, say hi, Savannah.
Hi.
There's Savannah. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Bit of a blizzard coming through here on, well, April 3rd. This is Canada after all, I guess. Oh well, it sure is nice out here though when it's like this. A little chilly, but so anyways, all you people in Canada, anybody that's watching, the government's got a new app they want you to download. Of course, you know me, I'm not going to tell you guys what to do or what not to do. Sorry, I had to crawl there a little bit underneath it. But, before you download that app, I'd sure check out and see what it's all saying, because it's giving the government complete access to your phone, all your private messages, all that stuff. It's giving them a back door right in there. So, I mean, you guys do what you want. That's up to you. You know that. But I'll tell you, I wouldn't think. What's that, kiddo? Oh, okay. Thanks, kiddo. Yeah, it's just another way for them to keep track on everybody, and they're going to say it's because due with this disease here. Here, hold on, Savannah. Let old man walk here first. Okay, you're okay. Yeah. And it's just getting crazier out here. Yeah. It's just getting nuts. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys can get out here too in the woods, or at least get out into a park. I talked to somebody or commented with them on the YouTube channel, and they said they're scared to even go to the park, which is pretty strange. You can stay 6 feet away when you're in the park. Yeah. So, hey Dave, sorry if you watch this one. How you doing? Everything there in Germany. I haven't seen that much on how crazy it is in Germany. I guess Italy stopped. You're only allowed to get $100 or whatever money they call over there out of your bank machine at a time, which it wouldn't surprise me if it starts happening here sooner or later. I seen a thing this morning, people in Italy trying to get into the bank, get money because they were hungry. Of course, the cops are protecting the bank. Corporation's interest, of course. And some guy walked up from the street and handed the two people that were yelling at the cop some money for each of them, so I go get some food. Which that's kind of neat to see that. What, sweetie? It is just about. Oh yeah, we can. I don't know if you guys can. Oh yeah, you can see. See, they're getting some buds on the trees. That's good. Of course, they won't sprout very fast in the snow. It's a pretty long walk we're having today, hey kiddo. Sure pretty out here, eh? You're still cold? I don't know, you'd be cold at big park on there, eh? There's a nest for the birds, you guys see it?
Where?
Yeah.
I don't see it.
You don't see that nest right built there?
Oh, I see it.
Birdhouse, I guess you want to call it.
Look it up.
Yeah. Yeah, isn't it pretty out here? Well, it's not as pretty as when it was white with snow, but still it's nice out here. Yeah, all these trees, see them? They're all getting buds on them. That's good. Pretty soon it'll be all green here again. So how is everybody enjoying apparently this isolation? Kids are probably going crazy. And I guess I hear the voice lawyers down in the States are starting to get lots of phone calls and busy. Nobody can handle being together, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I don't quite understand it. Mama's gone to work all day. Most of the time I can't wait for her to get home, so I don't quite understand it. But to each his own, I guess. Eh? And then I see about that guy that apparently drank the fish pond cleaner after Trump said that was the stuff to do. Apparently his wife had been arrested at one time for assaulting him. She wanted to divorce him, all kinds of stuff that she's not happy, all that shit. They made it look out like she was a Trump supporter until her husband drank. Whoa, that was a bit of a hole. Koi pond cleaner. And killed him. And it's awful curious. He died and she didn't. Was it a case of, she said, I already took my dose, here's yours, sweetie? I don't know. Seems pretty weird to me. Pretty strange. Yeah. Okay, guys. We're going to walk back to the house. It's been a long enough walk for us for a little while. Want to say bye? You want to say bye?
Bye.